This is lesson 6 inside module 2. And in this session, we are going to be talking about writing a CTA people understand. When you write a content, what is the best CTA that you need to put at the latter part of your content for people to really understand? And in this lesson, you will learn about, so in the last session, we spoke about lead magnets. So today, we are going to learn how to take the next step. So let's say writing your lead magnet, what is the next step that you're going to give to people so that they are going to message you? That is what we are going to be looking at. And that is what we call CTA. It simply means call to action. That is the meaning. So when you hear someone say, what is your CTA? What is your CTA? The person is just asking, what is your call to action? Now, what is a call to action? A call to action is something that tells people what exactly they can do next after reading a particular message or getting access to a particular content. See, so sometimes you're watching TikTok video and someone say, if you're interested, message me. If you're interested, comment below. So that is the call to action. So in this session, what we are practically going to be looking at is, at the end of this video, you would understand why DM me for more is a weak CTA. Most of you will just say DM me. It is a very weak CTA and you're going to stop using it. And you also understand why or how to create CTAs for different stages for the customer journey. So you don't have to be using the same CTA for everything. There is a way you need to organize your CTAs so that it responds or correspond to a particular content that you are rating. Once again, you will know why you should not tell everyone to buy now. That is something you have to avoid. Don't tell everybody to buy now. And also you will learn how to make your CTA simple and specific. So welcome to this journey, and we are going to be talking about CTA. So the question is, what is CTA? I just gave you a little bit of introduction. Now, in the detail part of it, a CTA is an instruction that you tell someone what action to take next. Okay, that is what we call CTA. For example, comment checklist or send me the word start. Download the free guide. Book a consultation. Register for the training. Message me ready. So some of all these things are a form of CTA. So if you have noticed something, you realize that each CTA is telling the person exactly what to do. Now let's talk about the problems with when you simply say DM me for more. Like your post says, do you want to learn how to generate leads? And then you write DM me for more. When you do that, that is a weak CTA. Now, if you are asking why, because more means nothing specific. When we say more, you are not really being specific about what the person is coming to get. So the person will ignore. When we say more, you are probably talking about an information, you are probably talking about a detail of something, or you are talking about the price. Okay, so probably you want the person to come and listen to the price, if that is what you mean. And the person is